So what did you enjoy the most about the event today?
I think networking with everybody and obviously listening to different speakers and understanding what they've got to say, and you can sort of take that on board and put it into use, and the things that they've told you to be prevent, and to look out for the future and so forth, when you look at the property market going up and down, and I think it sort of makes you think to step which direction you want to go in, and it will also help you for the future making the right decision. Yeah.
So for you personally, what are the top 3 points that you take away from this event?
Connecting with other people and their their contacts, and secondly, like I said, there's a different speaker every month, and you get away the information from that. Thirdly, you get to see your previous contacts, and you can share with them where they've gone to or where you need to go, and you're communicating, and from where you last left when you see the same people again. Yeah, that's about it.
How will this change your personal person? That in business and everything?
Well, I mean, you're educating yourself, so education is enhancing oneself, and once you've enhanced something, then obviously you're going to not step in the wrong territory, and you'll think twice, and you'll think of what you've been told, what you've networked about, and the notes that you've taken, in your networking. Because we will take our notes away anyway.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.